If you're getting unwanted emails from one person and want to stop them fast, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone from Yahoo Mail step by step so you can keep your inbox cleaner and avoid seeing messages from that sender again. This is a quick and easy fix, and you don't need any special tools or complicated settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your inbox, look for an email from the person you want to block. The easiest way to block someone in Yahoo Mail is to open one of their messages first, because that gives you access to the sender options right away. So click on an email from that sender to open it. Now that the message is open, look toward the top of the email window for the More option, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Click on More to open the menu of Extra Actions. In that drop-down, you should see an option that says Block Sender. This is the setting that tells Yahoo Mail to stop future emails from that address from reaching your inbox. Click Block Sender, and Yahoo Mail will usually ask you to confirm that choice. This confirmation step is important because it makes sure you really want to block that email address. When the confirmation box appears, click Confirm to finish the process, and that's it. Once you confirm, Yahoo Mail will block that sender, and future emails from them should no longer show up in your inbox. If the person uses another email address, you may need to repeat the same steps for that address too. Also keep in mind that blocking a sender is different from unsubscribing, since blocking stops the messages more directly. If you ever change your mind later, you can go back into your Yahoo Mail settings and manage blocked addresses from there. But for now, you've successfully blocked someone from Yahoo Mail in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.